Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make Discord guild in phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, launch your Discord app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once on this page, at the left corner, you're going to find your server. In case you don't have a server yet, you'll need to create one. For that, click on this plus option and select the option Create Your Own Server and go through the process. This step is super important because you need to be the server owner to make those cool guild tags. Next, go ahead and join your server, and then we are heading straight to the server settings. Now, on the left side, you will see the server profile. Click on it. Now click on your server name and then press on settings option here. Here, we will customize the entire vibe of your server. You can choose whether your guild is more casual or competitive, totally up to you. After that, you can pick traits for your guild and server. These details will help new members understand what your server is all about. If you want to add an extra level of customization, you can even set up an application for people who want to join your server. Add as many questions as you want to get the perfect members with that tag. If for some reason you don't see the guild tag option right away, you can join a special server called Guild Archive. This is called the Guild Archive. Now from here, once you join it, all have to do is click on the tag section, and as you can see, there are many tags to choose from, each one connected to a separate server. Now Discord guild tags are the ultimate first impression, compact, colorful and packed with personality. They act like vibrant digital nameplates for your server, giving potential members a quick and compelling glimpse into what your community is all about. Whether you're running a chaotic meme hub, a high-octane gaming squad, a chill music lounge, or a deep dive coding club, guild tags let you broadcast your server's identity in just a few words. These tags show up prominently in Discord's server discovery listings, recommendations, and even in some third-party tools, making them a vital piece of your server's visibility puzzle. But they're more than just eye candy. Behind the scenes, guild tags play a big role in helping Discord's algorithm match your server to the right audience. You're allowed to choose up to 5 tags from a preset list, things like anime, crypto, art, FPS games, or education. These selections help Discord understand the focus of your community and recommend it to users who are most likely to engage and stick around. It's a powerful tool for server growth, especially when paired with a strong description and active moderation. In many ways, guild tags are the CEO of Discord. They quietly drive traffic, connect you to the right crowd, and give your server a competitive edge in a platform bursting with options. They're especially important for public servers that want to grow organically through Discord's built-in discovery tools. Without them, your server might go unnoticed, no matter how awesome your content or community is. So whether you're just launching a new server or fine-tuning a well-established one, setting the right tags isn't just a small setup step, it's a branding move, a growth strategy, and a beacon for like-minded users all rolled into one. So you're going to click on the one that you would like. And then from here, you're going to join the server. And then once you do that, all you have to do is go back and then go to the server section or profile section right here, and then click on edit pre-profile. And then once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the server tags. And as you can see right here, once you go to the server tags, you'll see the options that you have, either the Cyber or Rainer, depending on whatever server that you may join. And that's pretty much it. So that's basically how you can make Discord guild in phone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.